7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we'll be looking at Flow. Flow is an altcoin. It's currently ranked number 31 on CoinMarketCap, and in the last 1 year it has gone as low as $2.29 and as high as $29.96. It's currently trading for $2.5, and guys, the all-time high for Flow is around $49. Can it get to $50? Should we be getting some Flow in the bear market? And guys, in this video we're looking at Flow versus the US dollar, we're looking at Flow versus Bitcoin, Flow versus Ethereum, and then we'll look at the Flow market cap chart. And as usual, we'll also look at the Bitcoin price chart to tell us where Bitcoin is and how it affects Flow. Guys, can Flow get to a new all-time high? Will it get to a new all-time high in the coming years? Should we be getting some Flow in the bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, in the last 1 year, Flow is down 82.3%. In the last 1 month, it's down 44.9%, and it has a market capitalization of $2.5 billion. You can see we have a green in the markets today. That's nice. That's nice to see. Flow is currently ranked number 31 on CoinMarketCap. Has a market capitalization of $2.5 billion in the last 24 hours. It has a trading volume of $29 million. Now, we have total supply of 1.3 billion coins, only 1 billion of them in circulation. Guys, so for Flow to get to over $50 per coin, the market cap has to get to over $50 billion. The fully diluted market cap is $3.4 billion. Quick history about Flow. Flow is a fast, decentralized, and developer-friendly blockchain designed as a foundation for new generations of games, apps, and digital assets that power them. And where can you get some Flow? If you're watching this video and you want to get some Flow for yourself, you can get it on Binance, on Gate.io, on Kraken, on Hugo Global, on KuCoin, on Coinbase, and guys, any other place you get your favorite altcoin, you can get some Flow. This coin is pretty popular. Let's look at the price chart for Flow. Flow is fairly new coin. It was actually launched in January 2021. This was just before the altcoins started going crazy. This is Flow on the 3-day time frame, and so each bar here represents 3 days and price action for Flow. You can see that Flow was launched, and the launch price for Flow was around $5.96. Flow actually pumped to as high as $43, $44 on some exchanges. It got to $50 on some exchanges, and Flow pumped over 625%. Now, that's not some crazy returns in the crypto space. We've seen 75,000%, 10,000%, 5,000%, and so 625% is not bad. But Flow did all of this in just 66 days of launching. So after Flow was launched in 66 days, it went up over 607%. Then the market tanked. The whole market tanked, Bitcoin included. All the altcoins tanked. Flow included tanked, and Flow dropped 85%. That's standard for the crypto market. It came back to the launch price, and those people that scooped Flow when it came back to the launch price were rewarded for their bravery, because when the market recovered, when the market went on its retracement, and Flow went up over 300%. Now, a lot of people are expecting new all-time highs for Flow right here. Flow just got to as high as $26, $30, and that was it. So if you bought Flow at $45, are you going to ever be in profit? Is Flow going to set a new all-time high? Can it set a new all-time high? Only time will tell right now. At the point of recording this video, guys, one Flow is going for $2.5, and you can see from the all-time high, Flow is just down 94%. Is it the bottom for Flow? Because guys, we know that in the bear market, these altcoins can actually tank very, very hard, and when they're down 90% and you think that's all, they can fall another 90%. 2017, 2018 was a huge lesson for a lot of people in the crypto space, because why? They bought a lot of coins, it dropped 90%, and they felt it was cheap. Guess what, guys? It fell another 90%. So you want to be careful with these altcoins. Will it be a good time to buy Flow right now? Because Flow is down 94% from its all-time high. And for Flow to get back to that all-time high from where we are right now, Flow has to pump over 1,600%. Can he do that? The price chart of Flow has shown us that Flow has not actually done that in time. But Flow is a new coin, and guys, you know, with these new coins, there's still room for growth, there's still room for improvement. But there's a very, very huge obstacle on the way. Flow market cap is at $2.5 billion. Currently ranked number 31 on CoinMarketCap. And guys, for Flow right now to go higher in price, it's just up only. Currently ranked $2.5 billion. If it gets to like $10 billion already, among the top 10 coin in the market, and that's just a 4x from where we are right now. So do you think, with the tokens in circulation for Flow, do you think Flow can get back to $50 per coin? For it to get back to $50 per coin, guys, the market capitalization of Flow will be over $50 billion. And just for context sake, if we go to the rankings of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, guys, you see that the coins that have valuations of over $50 billion, just 4 coins in the market, or probably 5 with BNB. And for Flow to get to $50, Flow will have to be a top 10 coin in the market. Is that possible? Guys, remember, in the last 1 year, Flow is down 83%. In the last 1 month, it's down 45%. In the last 1 week, it's still up. It's still up, so there's still some signs of hope. If you look at the Flow Bitcoin price chart, it's telling us almost the same story with the Flow USD price chart. Flow is a new coin, and the Bitcoin price chart is at this point mimicking the US dollar price chart. You can see that when Flow was launched, what happened? It pumped against Bitcoin, but not as hard as it pumped against the US dollar. It pumped 382% against Bitcoin, and then we had a wonderful dump in the market. It dumped 75% on its Bitcoin pairing. On its dollar pairing, it dropped over 80-something% during that mini bear market it had. Now, the retrace we had on the dollar pairing was a 200-and-something% pump. Even on the Bitcoin pairing, the same thing. Since then, just like the dollar pairing, Flow has actually been losing value against Bitcoin. So if you flipped your Bitcoin for Flow at the top of the market right here, this was around on July 30, 2021. That was the top of the market for Flow against Bitcoin. You would have lost over 88% of the value of your money. Should you be getting some Flow right now with some Bitcoin? Guys, you want to be sure that Bitcoin has actually gotten to the bottom of the market. Many of these altcoins can still bleed against Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin is tanking and the altcoins are tanking, you know that the altcoins will probably tank harder than Bitcoin. For Flow to get back to its all-time high on its Bitcoin pairing, Flow will have to pump almost 900%. Is that possible? Guys, yes, that's possible, but we'll need the environment to be favorable for it. We'll need to see Bitcoin pumping, and we know that a lot of new people are coming to the space. That's the only way I can see Flow going back to its previous all-time high. Even on the Ethereum pairing, it's almost the same story. When Flow was launched, it pumped against Ethereum. People are flipping their Ethereum for some Flow, and don't forget, by this point in time, Ethereum was around $800-700, and Flow outperformed Ethereum in the next 1 month. It pumped over 452% against Ethereum, and then since then it has started losing value against Ethereum, and it has not actually stopped. It looks as if it's bottoming out right now, but it's down 94% on its Ethereum pairing. On its dollar pairing, it's almost down the same amount of percentages. It's down how many percent on its dollar pairing? It's down 94%. It's only on the Bitcoin pairing that is actually kind of holding up, but on the Bitcoin pairing, it's still down 90%. Should you be getting some Flow? Guys, you should be getting some, but be very careful. You want to be DCing if you are getting some. You just don't want to go all in, because if we're in a bear market, as I suspect we are in, all these altcoins can still fall really hard. You can see Bitcoin is not decided here. Bitcoin is actually giving us vibes of what happened in June, July 2021. It looks as if that's what's going to happen right now. We have been ranging since 11th of May or 12th of May when we capitulated. Since then, we have been ranging. We have been stuck in 31,900 to as low as 28,300. At some point in time, guys, we'll have to break out of the range, and so you want to be careful with all coins till then. Bitcoin dominance is actually increasing. That's another tricky situation you want to be careful with. If you look at the Flow market cap, Flow is not actually an old coin, so the market cap chart doesn't have a lot of history. It's just from when it was launched at $141 million, and since then Flow has been increasing in market capitalization. At the height for Flow, it got to as high as $4.7 billion. But why the price didn't actually increase, guys? You might be wondering, okay, yes, the market capitalization of Flow increased by over 3,300%. It got to as high as $4.7 billion. Why didn't the price of Flow actually increase? Because you can see that the top of the market cap chart came in October 2022, and this was when Bitcoin was getting 69K. Now, why didn't the price chart actually set a new all-time high in October, guys? It's because more Flow were coming into circulation, and the circulating supply of Flow was actually increasing. Since it was a new coin, most of the supply was not in circulation when the coin was trading. So when it was trading for $40 and $30, most of the coins were not in circulation. As the price was actually increasing, more coins were coming in circulation. Even when the price was reducing, more coins still came into circulation, and that's why you see that the market cap chart here set a new all-time high, and the price chart did not set a new all-time high. The market cap chart set a new all-time high around $5 billion. Right now, we're at $2.6 billion for us to get back to where we are on the market cap chart to the new all-time highs. Flow will have to pump over 100%. Is that possible? Guys, do you think Flow can pump over 100%? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you're a Flow holder, tell me what you're planning to do in the bear market. Are you planning to accumulate more, or are you selling some and you can't take it anymore? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2, 3.